Welcome, today in front of me Realme 10 Pro Plus, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first we should open the settings app and then scroll and tap to the sound and vibration. Here we'll see ringtone volume panel, and just to change the ringtone volume we should hold and slide to the left or to the right side this dot. Also get one more way how we can do that, just with the help of the volume buttons, but first tap to more section and to volume button function and be sure that you have selected here ringtone volume. And now by press to the up or down volume button we can also change the ringtone volume of our device, and just we can also slide to the up or to the down volume button this volume panel. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.